The issues are really ease of doing business. We have heard so much about ease of doing business. And I think we all will vouch for it in last 6 or 8 months. Just providing power without interruption is one of the point in ease of doing business also, and providing the infrastructure also. Sir, along with ease of doing business, the main concern of industry will be cost of doing business. Unless we reduce cost of doing business comparatively compared to the other nations like China, who are the giant and ahead of us right now, we can hardly fulfill our dreams in this direction. And to some extent, ease of doing business, in my view, are related with the cost of doing business also. Once you have provided the ease of doing business, to some extent, the cost of doing business also goes down. Because then you concentrate on your business only and your manufacturing only rather than other things. So land is another issue with central government, new legislation they are putting up. We do hope that that issue will be sorted out. And especially I would like to mention here that in Telangana, as we heard yesterday also, our Honorable Industry Minister was here. Government has already provided and allocated, and we are fortunate in Telangana that there is ample government land is available. Only request from the industry side will be that request you to make this land available at a very, very reasonable cost, sir. Labor reforms, I would like to say, is another issue. That labor law reform, which center is already taking up, sir, but I think our state can take it up even in addition what center is doing. The idea is that we should incentivize labor and workforce for their efficiency and for their output, rather than on tenure base, which now every year end or every beginning of the year, we are to increase maybe 8, 10 to 15% the labor cost, irrespective of whatever is the output. This should not be the kind of a situation and norm, in my view. Sir, we are very confident that under the leadership of Shri Chandrasekhar Rao Garu, Telangana state will grow at a minimum of 10 to 12% per year and even more, and attract several new industries to the state. And we at Federation and on behalf of the industry fraternity, I can assure you, sir, that we will be the partner in making this dream of Bangaru Telangana a reality.